If you see Patal Lok, they took it to Nagaland, right? In part 2,
Yes.
Most of us would not even think that okay, maybe one episode वहाँ से होगा या 2 episodes. They took the entire thing to Nagaland, and they're speaking in Nagamese. So they didn't even bother कि वो हिंदी में ही बोलेंगे or something. They did English, Nagamese, and they took Hindi, or 3 languages they were talking in, and it makes you sit up because you see the entire what was the conflict, why you saw it from a different perspective, and it clicked. Whereas traditionally you'll think कि कौन देखेगा, right?
Exactly. You need also that's why you need producers who are willing to take that chance. It all starts with people being willing to back that kind of horse, being willing to kind of bet on that idea.
Would you like to do an OTT thing? Because I'll tell you honestly, with the movie, it doesn't hold my attention. Sometimes I feel that the director has so much more scope in doing a series because he has the character develops so much more. He's angry, his relationship with his wife. You can do so much in a longer series.
Yes.
Would you like to do that next?
We do. I've been developing a couple of series ideas. One is a mini series, and one is a kind of, it could go for multiple seasons. It's a sort of a family comedy. So yes, I would love to make series. I've been working on some. I feel like certain stories just lend themselves much better to OTT, and you feel like you want to watch these characters time and again, and you want to see them grow. So those stories are good for OTT. But it's true that people's almost, threshold for watching films has somehow reduced. People get bored with a film very quickly. I don't know what it is about cinema. I think it's, of course, the attention span change. It's a bummer for most people in films that, within 5 or 7 minutes, if there's not an explosion, a cell phone opens,
It's most annoying, I feel.
In a cinema theatre, lights on in the cinema theatre. People don't even bother to put their screen brightness down, and they're busy answering texts, and it's so annoying. And so the cinema experience also has become affected by that. People don't want to go all the way somewhere, spend lots of money, and then have other people be ordering, whatever, their tacos and are coming in the middle of the film, So I don't know.
It's not also a communal experience anymore, right? There was a time you sat with 100 people in a hall and you laughed together, you sobbed together, whatever, with complete strangers. Now, even inside your own home, everybody is watching the movies in different rooms.
This is true.
Or in your own device.
But Smita, I feel that experience cannot go away. It will not die.
It's a cyclic thing, you feel?
It's a cyclic thing for sure. I also feel like, as our primitive caveman type of selves, we are people who like to experience things together. We are not, while this has managed to distract us, like our individual devices have distracted us, there is no greater joy than laughing with other people or, talking about a film after it's over. When you come out.
We're doing this interview during Kumbh where everybody is doing a snan. Crores of people are doing snan together.
This is true.
So how can we say that?
Exactly. And I went, in fact, there was a Wim Wenders film festival recently, and I went to Regal, which is a 1,000-seater. There was a line going almost all the way to Gateway of India to go in to watch a Wim Wenders film. And when we were inside there, when we were watching, say, Buena Vista Social Club, there were people clapping after a performance, laughing at the jokes. It's 100% an experience that people still want. I just feel like we maybe have lost some of that desire to go to the cinema, maybe because we've been failed by some of the films that have been put out there. We've been failed by a very economically unaffordable, sort of pricing, and we have become a bit lazier about getting up and going out. And it's convenience at the end of the day.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.